3, 2, 1. Let it drop. All right, guys, we're about to take off. Here we go. Here we have both phones ready to be dropped. Let's go. We are still going up, guys. Everything looks good. There's a little bit of wind, but everything else looks quite good. All right, guys, we're about to drop it.
5 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it drop. It's falling. Whoa. Check this out, guys. The classic Nokia 3310 is in pieces. Here is the part, and we're gonna find out what happened with the Samsung Galaxy S10. Check it out. The screen is fully shattered. Samsung Galaxy. It feels really warm. Here are the pieces of the Nokia 3310. We're gonna collect all the pieces. We have a little helper here. All right, guys, we're gonna get everything cleaned up and we're gonna see the final results. I'm gonna try to put the Samsung Galaxy and the Nokia 3310 back in place, and we're gonna see what happens with the phones. Here we have the classic Nokia 3310 and the remaining pieces. I'm gonna try to put it all back, and I'm gonna try to make a call to see if it still works. It's gonna be amazing if it works. All right, so here we have the Samsung Galaxy S10. This is after the drop. So as you can see here, the phone is fully dead. I tried connecting it to the computer, to the charger. It doesn't work, so no signs of life. It was a pretty hard hit for the Samsung Galaxy S10. So the phone is a little bit bent, and the back is fully shattered. The front glass is also shattered, and no signs of life. I've tried everything. The phone, Samsung Galaxy S10, is fully dead. On the other hand, we have the classic Nokia 3310 here. I put it all together, and surprisingly, the classic Nokia 3310 is still working. So I was amazed when I tried calling the phone and it still works, and I'm gonna show you right now that the phone still really works.